We would like to take this opportunity to welcome Mr. Avi Friedman, the new head of Trade and Economic Affairs in the Consulate of Embassy of Israel in Bangalore. As you're aware, there's a new consulate which has opened up in Bangalore after the one which has opened up in Bombay. And heading the Trade Department is Mr. Avi Friedman with a wealth of experience. He earlier served in Poland, Warsaw, Poland, before that in Argentina, before that in South Africa. He's worked on several grand projects. He's a specially trained international trade expert from the World Trade Organization in Geneva. We believe there's a lot of development activity which is going to take place because of this unique situation, political situation which we are in terms of division of two states, the Simandra as well as Telangana, which will create a need and impetus for opportunities which will open up, either in infrastructure, either in wastewater management or in water management, in agriculture, in several sectors, which I strongly see that partnering with Israel will benefit a lot of companies in the coming future. And it's quite incidental, and we are happy to note that the Embassy of Israel in Delhi and their Ministry of Labor and Trade has encouraged the opening of another consulate in Bangalore, which is close. Of course, we would have been happy if such a thing were opened up in Hyderabad itself, but even nevertheless, it is still quite near for us for Bangalore. We are talking about certain sectors which Israel is very famous for, especially in the field of agriculture, healthcare, bio, medicine, advanced high technologies like IT, cyber zones, etc. And we are encouraging our Indian companies, especially not with a pan-India focus, with more focus on Andhra Pradesh and this region, to see if we can initiate MOUs, joint ventures, and make business a reality. We have recently had a meeting of businessmen yesterday at FAPSI, the Federation of Andhra Pradesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and had one-to-one meetings with several other leading industries. And we would like to see the good work which Mr. Avi Friedman will take it over from here on. Thank you.